हेलो फ्रेंड्स, वेलकम बैक टू योर ओन चैनल चकदे विद नॉलेज। चकदे विद नॉलेज में आप सभी का हार्दिक स्वागत है। एक चैनल जो करता है बैंक की बात और बैंकर्स की बात। दिस वीडियो इज़ वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट वीडियो फॉर ऑल द बैंक रिटायरीज, सो वी रिक्वेस्ट ऑल अवर सीनियर्स टू वॉच द वीडियो टिल द एंड and we also request to please share with all your friends. This video is regarding the group medical insurance policy for the retirees. As per the contents, we have received a communication from the Indian Banks Association, then letter reference number has been given, informing that for the year 2022-23, National Insurance Company Limited has been allotted the group medical insurance policy for the retirees. Second number point. In this connection, the IBA and the NIC Limited have advised us the rates of premium for the renewal of group health insurance policy for the retirees for the period 1st of November 2022 to 31st of October 2023, both days inclusive, which are as under. Then chart has been given. ये पॉलिसी जो है वो 1 नवंबर 2022 से लेकर के 31 अक्टूबर 2023 तक रहेगी। आईबीए ने रेट्स दे दिए हैं। एनआईसीएल द्वारा इंश्योरेंस किया जाएगा और जो डेट हैं 1 नवंबर 22 और 31 अक्टूबर 2023 दोनों शामिल रहेंगी। अब टेबल के कंटेंट्स देख लेते हैं। लेट्स गो थ्रू द कंटेंट्स ऑफ टेबल without domiciliary and the with domiciliary. Before noting down the premium, we want to tell you that there are certain modifications in the policy also which are also covered in this video, so don't go anywhere, stay connected. Let's go through the table. So there are two without domiciliary and the with domiciliary. You can see the basic coverage 1 lakh, 2 lakh, 3 lakhs, 4 lakhs. So there are 4 options. In the same way, in the with domiciliary there are 4 options: 1 lakh, 2 lakh, 3 lakhs and 4 lakhs. Then you have the options for the officers and workmen. So there is different premium for the officer and the workmen employees for without domiciliary and with domiciliary. So first, without domiciliary. So self plus spouse for officers premium is 15,308 for 1 lakh, single person 10,333 for 1 lakh, workman employee self plus spouse 15,308 and single person 10,333. If you will go for the 2 lakhs, then the premium for self and spouse is 27,557 and single person 18,600. This is same for the workman employees. And for 3 lakhs, self plus spouse 41,334 and for the single person say 27,901. This is same for workman. And for 4 lakh 57,808 for self and spouse and for single person 39,020 and workman employees this is not applicable. Now let's go through the with domiciliary. If you will take the basic coverage of 1 lakh, then for the self and spouse it will be rupee 25,520 and for single person it will be 17,226. Same is applicable for the workman employees. For the 2 lakh basic coverage 51,047 is for the self and spouse and for single person it is 34,457. Same for the workman. And for 3 lakh it is 77,920 for officers with spouse and 52,596 for single person. For 4 lakh 97,776 for self and spouse and for single person it is 65,999. Workman employee not applicable. NICL also offered for the super top-up policy for the officers and the workmen employees, and top-up coverage can be taken from 1 lakh to 5 lakhs and the premium is also charted here. So for the self and spouse it is 3,730 for 1 lakh and single person 2,518. For 2 lakhs it is 6,291 and 4,246 respectively. For 3 lakhs it is 9,639 and 6,507. For 4 lakhs it is 12,475 and 8,420 and for 5 lakhs it is 15,180 and 10,246 but not available for the workmen for 5 lakhs. While forwarding the premium rates for renewal of the insurance policy for retirees, the insurance company has advised certain modifications in the existing term and conditions, which is given below. Point number 1. Modification number 1. The officers and above staff are covered under the base policy coverage of rupees 4 lakhs and 3 lakh respectively. Therefore, the officers can opt for any sum insured from rupees 1 lakh to 4 lakhs in the base policy, and above staff can opt for any sum insured from rupees 1 lakh to 3 lakhs in the base policy. Super top-up policy is available to only those retirees who opt for rupees 3 lakhs award staff and rupees 4 lakhs officers sum insured in the base policy. Reimbursement of expenses towards domiciliary treatment under with domiciliary option is 10% of the base policy of the sum insured. The said criteria is applicable even for those who opt for single person premium. Next modification is reimbursement of expenses towards domiciliary treatment is not covered under the super top-up policy. Next point is the provision of payment of single person premium is considered only where the retired person is single or the surviving spouse family pensioner. However, if the retired employee and his or her spouse both are alive, then in such case family floater premium has to be paid. Those retirees who are not covered under the retirees policy for the year 2021-22 can join the retirees policy for the year 2022-23. The retirees can opt with without domiciliary option in retirees policies 2022-23 irrespective of the option they have chosen in the last year policy 2021-22. The retirees who are not covered under the super top-up policy 2021-22 can avail super top-up policy for the year 2022-23. This is our humble request to bring the content of this communication, this video to the notice of all superannuated BRS, CRS retirees who are member of the scheme to exercise their option within the stipulated dates. If you are a bank retiree, don't forget to subscribe our channel and click on the notification bell. Thank you.